In that diagram, swimming process. In swimming pool, they are providing one square bracket, and with after that we have to perform any tasks or any operation, means we have to dive or we have to swim in only that portion. So we have to perform a task in only that means one square of bracket is there. So we have to perform one task in only that portion of time period. So in that for providing ATM diagram, so what type of transaction we have to perform in how many characters are present in that task, what type of task we are providing, we are learning this class. First customer, second ATM and machine. First customer, second ATM, third one is bank. So bank will be provide our backend process. Because we don't know what type of process they are providing in backend, what type of activity are going on in the server, we are not able to find. We are only able to find this type of activities. Means we are putting our card, we are putting our password, we are entering our amount, we will take our amount, we will take our card and we will move. But what type of process they are performing inside that task, we will find in this diagram. In swimming pool, what type of task you are performing? You are in swimming pool. You are a customer. So what type of you are going only changing costume and swimming, dive, and after that some period of time you will be carry out. But what type of process they will be performed? Their customer will be performed. What type of they are building their water? What type of task they are inciting to perform in swimming pool, building swimming pool? We are not able to find. So for that purpose, we are only knowing customer process. So ATM machine in our swimming pool machines, in swimming pool what they are providing? They are providing waters. In that water they are providing chlorine for cleanness of water, and there is some dust, garbage or present. They are clean. We are only going, leaving and coming, right? And after that next process is our bank. Bank is nothing but in our construction or those are developing a swimming pool lane. This is nothing but your banking server. So for ATM purpose, what type of process they will perform, we will learn in this problem. So first time if you are customer, so if you are visited ATM, that time what will be happen in ATM? You are insert your card. If you are inserted your card, the next process they will ask enter your PIN. You are entering, but you don't know what type of process they will access in a ATM bank or in a server. Like if you are entering your card, enter your PIN, they directly goes to the authorizations. Authorizations means this is a valid user or not. They are performing authorization purpose. If you entering your PIN, if they are valid, it will goes to the next part. If either one is not goes to the, it again come back to the customer. It is showing your ATM PIN is not correct, right? So after that authorization is performed, then it will be valid PIN. It will be performed some task. What type of task they will perform? After that they will ask enter amount. How much amount you want? Like 500, 10,000, 2,000, 5,000, that type of amount they will ask. Then this process also asking, after that they will goes to the account balance. To directly your account, bank. They are not performing to ATM machine, they are asking you permission to ATM machine. They will directly goes to your account balance. They will check in your account how many amount are present, how many amount are not present. If we are providing 500 is present or not. If it not present, it goes to the customer side. This amount transaction is not be fulfilled. If you are providing, the balance is provided in that account, so that time you will show you can take that money in our account. So after that, if it will not perform, if it will perform, it goes to the next process is take money from slot. When if you are enter amount, the slot will be come, your money will be came outside. After that, what will the next process will be happen? After that, debit account. With your account will be some message or some information came in your mobile. So some amount of account the money will be debited in your account. that type of message will be come in your mobile. After that, next process what will be happen? Show balance. Show balance means we are checking our balance, how many amount are present or how many amount are not present in account. So that type of function will be performed through ATM, not by bank or customer. This type of function will be performed only by ATM machine, because we are not able to perform any task regarding customers or banking through. It will be performed only by ATM machine, because their working procedure happening only ATM, not by server, not by anything. It will be happen only by ATM machine. So after that, what will be happen? If you are showing your balance, you will be satisfied. If you are showing that more amount will be deducted, so you will directly goes to the bank server to report, sir, I have debit only 500, but it's showing 1000, 2000 rupees will be deducted. So after that, your process will be completed. What will happen? You will inject your card. Your process is completed. You will inject your card, and after that, make your card and you will leave. Right? Understand this swim lane process and activity process.